Today we're diving into one of the hottest trends in the working world, shifting from a 5-day work week to a 4-day work week. More and more companies are making this change, and the results are incredible increased productivity, happier employees, and improved work-life balance. But how can your company successfully make this transition? Stay tuned, because today we'll break down everything you need to know to make the switch smoothly and effectively. Welcome back to HR Inspire, the channel where we explore everything you need to know about human resources and career success. Whether you're an HR professional or a job seeker, we're here to inspire, educate, and empower you. First things first, why would a company move to a 4-day work week? Well, research shows that a shorter work week doesn't just make employees happier, it also boosts productivity. Studies from companies like Microsoft Japan and Buffer show that with fewer days, employees tend to focus more and eliminate distractions. Plus, with better work-life balance, job satisfaction increases, and that means better retention. Step 1. Don't jump in too fast. Start with a trial period. Announce a 3 to 6 month test run to see how the change impacts your operations and team dynamics. It's important to be transparent with your employees, letting them know it's an experiment to measure productivity, satisfaction, and team feedback. During this trial, track key performance metrics to ensure work isn't compromised. Step 2. Focus on redesigning workflows for maximum efficiency. A 4-day work week doesn't mean squeezing 5 days of work into 4. Instead, it's about optimizing how you work. This can involve reducing or eliminating unnecessary meetings, automating routine tasks, and making better use of digital tools. Ensure your team is focusing on high-impact tasks rather than getting bogged down with busy work. Next, make sure you have fair coverage during the 4-day week. If your business operates 5 days or more, consider staggering schedules. For example, you could have some employees take Mondays off while others take Fridays. This keeps the business running smoothly without any disruptions to clients or operations. Flexibility is key, and you need to ensure that workloads are fairly distributed across the team. One of the biggest benefits of a 4-day work week is the boost in employee well-being. Make sure to pair this transition with wellness initiatives that support your employees' mental health. Encourage them to use their extra day off for relaxation, hobbies, or spending time with family. A healthier, happier employee is a more productive and engaged one. Finally, it's important to evaluate the success of the 4-day work week and make adjustments as needed. After the trial period, collect feedback from employees and managers, review productivity data, and measure overall job satisfaction. Not every department may benefit equally, so be ready to adapt the plan or allow flexibility within teams. The 4-day work week is more than just a trend. It's a real opportunity to enhance productivity, boost employee morale, and attract top talent. With careful planning, communication, and flexibility, your company can make the transition smoothly and reap the rewards. Bonus tip: consider offering remote work options alongside the 4-day work week. This extra flexibility allows employees to manage their time more effectively, further boosting productivity and satisfaction. Are you ready to make the shift to a 4-day work week? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more HR insights right here on HR Inspire. Thanks for watching.